Have you ever wondered if that creamy avocado you love could be doing more harm than good when paired with your favorite foods? What if I told you that the seemingly innocent combination of avocado with certain fruits and meals could lead to digestive chaos and health issues you never saw coming? In this video, we're diving deep into the shocking effects of mixing avocado with other foods, revealing 12 critical dangers that could be lurking in your diet. But hold on, this isn't just a list of warnings. We'll back each claim with eye-opening scientific studies that expose the hidden risks of these combinations. You'll hear real-life examples that might just make you rethink your next meal. And trust me, you won't want to miss the countdown from number 12 to number 1, where we'll uncover the most dangerous pairings and provide you with practical solutions to avoid these pitfalls. So, are you ready to challenge everything you thought you knew about avocados? Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll be armed with the knowledge to protect your health and make smarter dietary choices. Let's get started. 12. Avocado and high-sugar fruits, a digestive disaster. Let's start with a common one: avocado and high-sugar fruits like mango or banana. This combo might seem like the perfect smoothie ingredient, but it's actually a recipe for trouble. Why? The fats in avocado slow down digestion, while the sugars ferment in your gut, causing bloating and discomfort. A 2018 study published in the Journal of Digestive Health found that mixing high-fat and high-sugar foods can delay gastric emptying, leading to gas and even nausea. Take Maria, for example. She loved her avocado-banana smoothies, but couldn't figure out why she felt bloated and sluggish every afternoon. The sugar-fat combo was to blame. Solution: pair avocado with low-sugar fruits like berries. They're sweet, tangy, and won't wreak havoc on your gut. 11th. Avocado and dairy, a stomach clasher. Now here's a popular mistake: combining avocado with dairy. Think avocado cheese toast or creamy avocado smoothies made with milk. Sounds delicious, right? But for many, this duo spells trouble. Research published in Food Chemistry in 2017 revealed that fats like those in avocado can inhibit the breakdown of lactose, leaving you with stomach cramps, bloating, and even diarrhea. Tom learned this the hard way after indulging in his favorite avocado cheese toast. He ended up with hours of discomfort he didn't see coming. What's the fix? Swap out the dairy for plant-based options like almond milk or cashew cheese. Your stomach will thank you. 10. Avocado and seafood, the omega overload. Let's talk about seafood. Avocado and salmon might sound like a dream team, but the truth? It's an omega fat overload your liver can't handle. A 2020 study in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming too much fat in one sitting overwhelms your liver's bile production. Poor fat digestion leads to nausea, sluggishness, and even long-term liver strain. Sarah loved her avocado salmon sushi rolls, but after months of feeling nauseous and drained, she finally made the connection. The solution? Balance is key. Pair avocado with lean proteins like chicken or tofu for a lighter, healthier meal. 9. Avocado and processed carbs, blood sugar, spike alert. Number 9 is all about processed carbs. Think avocado toast on white bread or pasta with avocado sauce. While avocado's healthy fats are good for you, pairing them with refined carbs creates a perfect storm for blood sugar spikes. A study published in the American Journal of Nutrition in 2016 highlighted how fats combined with high glycemic carbs can worsen insulin resistance over time. Steve learned this firsthand. His beloved avocado toast on white bread gave him energy crashes and weight gain he couldn't understand. Here's the fix: choose whole grain bread or sprouted grains instead of refined carbs. You'll feel fuller, longer, and avoid those pesky sugar crashes. 8. Avocado and fried foods. Double trouble for your heart. Love guacamole with tortilla chips. Or avocado on fried snacks. You might be doubling your calorie intake and inviting inflammation to your arteries. Research published in Circulation in 2019 warned about the compounded effects of trans fats from fried foods and the saturated fats in avocado. Lisa, for instance, loved her guac and chips, but couldn't understand why her cholesterol kept climbing. The fix is simple. Swap those chips for fresh veggie sticks. Carrots, cucumbers, and bell peppers are crunchy, tasty, and heart-healthy. 7. Avocado and Citrus Fruits. Acid wars. Ever tossed avocado into a citrus salad? It might taste refreshing, but it's actually a recipe for heartburn. Why? Avocado's fats mixed with the acids in oranges or lemons can irritate your stomach lining. A 2015 study in the Journal of Gastroenterology pointed out that acid-fat combinations are a leading cause of acid reflux. Alex, a big fan of avocado orange salad, suffered daily from this exact issue. Heartburn that wouldn't quit. What to do instead? Pair avocado with mild fruits like apples or pears. You'll still get a sweet touch without the burn. 6. Avocado and Vinegar-Based Dressings. The fat trap. Here's a sneaky one. Avocado salads with tangy vinegar dressings. Sounds harmless, right? Wrong. These acidic dressings can block your body's ability to absorb avocado's healthy fats. A 2018 nutrition and metabolism study found that certain acids interfere with fat absorption, meaning you're missing out on the benefits you think you're getting. Emma learned this after months of avocado salads left her fatigued and nutrient-deprived. Pro tip: stick to olive oil-based dressings that complement avocado without canceling its benefits. 5. Avocado and Beans. Fiber overload. Avocado and beans, a classic taco topping duo. But too much fiber in one meal can leave you bloated and uncomfortable. A 2021 study in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition revealed that excessive fiber disrupts your gut balance, leading to gas and even stomach pain. Paul's favorite avocado black bean tacos left him avoiding social events due to the embarrassing aftermath. Solution? Scale back on the beans, or add grilled veggies instead. You'll keep your meal delicious and digestible. 4. Avocado and Eggs. The protein clash. Avocado and eggs, a breakfast favorite that's not so innocent. Combining these two slows digestion, especially for sensitive stomachs. A Clinical Nutrition Insights study in 2019 found that fat-protein pairings can lead to sluggish digestion. Anna, for example, loved avocado egg toast, but always felt heavy and tired after breakfast. Quick fix: pair avocado with fresh veggies in the morning, and save eggs for another meal. 3. Avocado and Alcohol. Liver overload. Avocado margaritas, anyone? Mixing avocado and alcohol burdens your liver, making detoxification harder. Research in Hepatology Research 2016 showed that combining fats with alcohol strains liver function. Mike's avocado cocktails were fun until his hangovers became unbearable. The fix? Stick to water or herbal teas when enjoying avocado. 2. Avocado and Sugary Sauces. A hidden calorie bomb. Adding honey mustard or barbecue sauce to avocado turns a healthy food into a calorie bomb. The Journal of Obesity in 2018 showed sugar-fat combos cause faster weight gain than sugar or fat alone. Sophie's avocado wraps with sweet dressing? Delicious, but also the reason for her expanding waistline. What to do instead? Use natural herbs or lime juice for flavor. 1. Avocado and Large Meals. Digestive overload. Finally, Avocado piled onto calorie-dense meals is a common trap. Your body can't handle so many heavy foods at once. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, 2020, highlighted that overloading calories in one meal leads to fatigue and weight gain. Joe learned this after his steak and avocado dinners left him feeling like he swallowed a brick. Solution: let avocado be the star of your meal, not just an extra. By avoiding these 12 mistakes, you can unlock avocado's true health benefits without the risks. Which mistake surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments, and share this video to help others eat smarter. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time. And there you have it, the 12 most dangerous avocado food pairing mistakes. Who knew this superfood could come with so many risks? But don't worry, avoiding these combinations is simple and can make a world of difference for your digestion and overall health.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health tips, and share it with someone who loves avocado. Let us know in the comments which pairing surprised you the most, or if you have any personal experiences to share. Remember, healthy eating isn't just about what you eat, it's about how you combine your foods. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.